आपाचे आमदार वेन्झी विएगसान केल्ल्या आरोपांक आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस फेरेरा हांच्यांनी जाप दिल्या. ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस म्हणटा, आपूण कम्युनिदाद जमीन बळगावपी न्हय, आपूण कम्युनिदाद जमनीच्या हितान काम करपी मनीस. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आयज सीएमान म्हाका विचारला what is the position on Article 652 आनी तेन्ना हांव उबो रावला. म्हगे चान्स नाशिल्लो उलोवपाक, हांव उबो रावला कित्याक म्हाका विचारला म्हणून. आनी हांवें कायदो तो कितलोय सांगला. हांवें सांगला 652 does not come in the way of the House making an amendment. हांवें एडिशनल आनी कितें सांगला. थोडे लोकांक हांवें म्हणलें ना तेका म्हूण तो कितें समजवतो हांव नेना, कितें आयकला ना हांव नेना. हांवें म्हणलां थोड्या लोकांक मनान आसा की कोण कायदो हाडलो तो ते लोकांनी ते सरकारांनी कायदो अमेंड करपाचो. आनी हांवें सांगला फुडें थोड्या लोकांक मनान आहा की पुर्तुगेज सरकारान हाडलो तो पुर्तुगाल आसलो पडटलो अमेंडमेंट करपाक. तेजेर आरोप केला, तेजेर कांय म्हणना. पूण हांवें आर्टिकल 652 तेजेर करेक्ट इंटरप्रिटेशन दिलें देखून तो बेजार जालो. आतां कित्याक बेजार जालो? थिंग कांय म्हणना ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस जाप काडना तेणें. कित्याक हांव सांगता म्हाका दिसता तेगे मनान कांय नाशिल्लें, पूण तेगे आसात फाटल्यान बॅक बेंचर ते तेंको जायना चोवपाक दुसऱ्यांचे सक्सेस. तेंगे मनान आजून आहा ते ओल्ड रेजीम तकलेन आहा. आनी ते हांव खरें सांगता, हांव कोमनीदाद कितले कोमनीदादाचे हांव शेअर होल्डर. मडगांव कोमनीदाद आय एम मेजर शेअर होल्डर. We have so many other Komunidad shares. I am definitely interested in the welfare of the Komunidads. I am not anti-Komunidad. I am not a land grabber. I am not a Komunidad land grabber. So, I will never do anything in the interest of the Komunidad. You have seen that clause by clause, the Komunidad law was explained by me, opposed by me, on the grounds how it destroys the independence of the Komunidads. I have shown that you should not keep elected people forever. I have shown how that on one complaint you can suspend an elected managing committee. You are not bringing substitute, but you are trying to appoint your man in the committee. I have also shown other provisions which are going to detrimentally affect. No one did that exercise. I am the only one who did it. If I wanted, I could have remained quiet. And when it came to passing of the bill, I was there with all the other opposition members on the floor, on the well of the House to oppose that amendment. If I wanted to, I could have walked out. I could have sat down. I could have said it's not there. I didn't. Even though the government tried to placate by saying that we are accepting this suggestion, and the revenue minister said that I will bring an amendment in the next session of the House. We were not satisfied with that, and we went to the floor of the well of the House. So you can understand that there was nothing which we did to play ball with the government.